Okay, everybody, welcome to the stream. This is Sailboat Trader. We are here live on Sunday, March 16th. The markets are about to open. I'm going to be trading a Tradify Combine as the markets open, and I will be trading that this afternoon. We're about 2 minutes away from the market open. Alrighty, everybody, so the markets are open officially. The NASDAQ has opened at 19,669.50. We saw an immediate push down, and now we're pressing up. The spread is not drastic, so it is tradable. Volume is in the 1,300, 1,400 range. Approximately 10 seconds left in this candle. See how we do. Alright, it's still an inside bar. We're waiting for a break. I really want to see a dip below here. And then run up. Or run the high and then dump down. I think it's likely that we break the high or the low of that first minute candle. It appears we do have an intraday 1 minute gap that we're trying to fill here. Well, let's see if we can get a break up or down. Right now we're just kind of consolidating in this range here. Well, we've ended up closing as a bearish engulfing candle. There we go. We're finally getting a breakdown. We broke below that initial candle's high and low, and now we're getting a snap back into it. This is the interesting part here. Do we see a follow through? Or do we break above? Because if we break above 60, I think we can easily say we're going to go to 90. .1 minute candle from high to low. Only 26 or 7 points, actually. So it's volatility's picking up. Still no trades yet. I put a little buy order down here at 15.5 because it's like in the wicks of this bottom of the range. Seems like a good area for support to maybe develop. We'll see if we blow through it or not. 12s or 13s are more likely actually. Oh, we got within like 3.5 ticks or 3.5 points. It didn't get filled. Bounced right out of it. Well, we got within 2 ticks now. Still no fill.
Stop filled.
So I just decided to take one here. Put one on because what I want to see is us run that first candle's low and then find support and reverse back up to fill some of these gaps up here. What happened was we didn't get the price exactly I wanted, so I decided to say fuck it, I'll just take the reversal. So as soon as we saw that 1 minute reverse, better entry would have been like 24, but went for it. All right, so we saw was we had that downtrend. We saw that break of the trend. We broke above it, so I wanted to try along in there, and then we immediately dumped through 20 points. So what we're seeing now is it's probably not going to have any support until the 80s. So yeah, I'll put another limit buy order at 19,580. The reason being, you can see the support from this zone over here, but ideally we're gonna push back up, fill some of these gaps. Just trading small in this Sunday afternoon. Small size. I think we could easily rotate up to the 19,700, honestly. If we get this bullish engulfing 1 minute candle now, that's nice to see. Now, the thing that I really don't like is the 5 minute is definitely against us right now. If we zoom in on the 5 minute, we want it to flip the trend on the 5 minute. So in order for me to be happy with the 5 minute, we would need to see the price trade above this line. $19,632, we can add to it. We'll see if we get it. We still got like 2.5 minutes on this candle here. Just taking a different view at all the different time frames we have going on right now. See if I'm missing something. See if there's something I'd prefer to be looking at.
Stop filled.
Alright, so I have 2 orders there now. Basically the reason for the additional add was because on the 5-minute here we continued to see a reversal. We broke above the prior 5-minute candle's high. Obviously we hope not to see a rejection now, but now we're going to look for the complete reversal up. So we'll look for 53 as one exit, and then an additional exit as new highs. So this is ideally when we want to see some buyers start to step up here. We are down 0.5% on the day, 100 points on the pre-market session. So, you know, what we really want to see is buyers start to step up and show that they're present. We are trading below our EMA. We are trading below where we closed on Friday. So it is you know, something to consider while you are trying a long position. But I think from what I'm seeing on the charts here, I feel comfortable risking a long. Again, like I said, I might consider even just taking one out of 40s just because of this here. $50 seconds left on this candle. 5-minute candle, that is. Really when you want to see it close above the prior 5-minute candle's high. So I really want to see this candle close above 19,620. Ideally above 23. Alright, now we have a new 5-minute candle. I want to see the continuation up. So I want to see a break above 19,622, just like we did there. That's exactly what we want to see. Alright, we're seeing some consolidation here, a little bit of a rejection off that EMA. If we don't get some kind of buyers stepping up soon, it could be a sign that this one's just going to be a rejection. keep getting rejected at this EMA here. The 5-minute structure is holding up slightly here, so that's the only thing that's giving me confidence to stay in this trade. But if we break below, might have to just exit it as a loss and reset. We broke these prior 5-minute candles highs, so that gives me confidence we could see a pop. We're really going to have to break through the 30s. There's so much wickage from the 20s to the 30s. We can break 32 and a half. I think it's a clean run to 40 and then 45, 47. Technically on the 5-minute we do have a higher high and a higher low. Don't like that it closed red. The real question is, should you just stop out at 19,608? I think that's the right answer. Honestly, I think it is.
Order filled. Order filled.
I think it is the right answer. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to flip it. I don't necessarily like to flip positions, but I'm going to go ahead and flip it because it looks to me like we could get some high-speed breakage. Once you see that consolidation here, like this, and then, yeah, I want to short that.
Order filled. Order filled.
Adding to it. Oh.
Order filled.
That EMA is just holding us down there. We are still doing the drop. I'm still looking for a little bit more of a push down. I have buy orders set. I'm a little concerned because this is right where we ripped last time. Holding the balls and ready to drop. I hope it's nice and quick. The quicker the fall, the better, ideally. Oh, come on. Two ticks away and you guys rip it up. 20 points. That was brutal. We were right there. Right there. We were right there. Still getting slapped down by that EMA. Come on. A little lower. 19,595s, please. Come on. Still can't believe that. That was outrageous. That was down to like two takes away from my first take profit, and it just ripped on me. I mean, come on. Give me that one TP. Give me that one TP. Come on now. I really think we could see a dump down to the 80 still, but come on. Less than 4 points away. This wickage down here is getting unreal. Just a little lower now. This is literally annoying. But that 21 EMA is our savior right now. Come on, hold 21 EMA. Keep it down. Slap it down, 21 EMA. Cannot believe that. It got literally 2 ticks to my first take profit and then it just ripped out of there. Come on. Uh-oh. This 21 EMA doesn't hold. We could be seeing a reversal. It's been the only thing keeping us down this whole time. Just like bang, 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 bang. want to see some kind of a slap down to 19,580. Starting to get concerned here. Oh, that's not good. See how we react here, but it's not looking good. Good for the shorts now, bud. Might have to just chalk this one up to a little loss here. That EMA is now flipped. That was holding us down this whole time. The 5-minute structure broke. Really want to give it a second here because we've been getting slapped right off of this zone here. We only got about 40 seconds left or 30 seconds left in this 5-minute candle. Be interesting to see how we close it out in the final moments here. Can the bulls hold it and continue to push up into the 40s probably? 19,640 that is. Or can the bears reclaim control and slap this aggressive 5-minute candle back down? I am awfully concerned for the short position I'm in right now because it seems like this is now going to be the test of the 21 EMA as now support instead of resistance. This whole time we were using it as resistance to drop lower, and now we broke above, closed above, and now we're on top of it. New 5-minute candle has just opened. Oh yeah, look at that. Bounce right off of it. You really want to see a breakdown from here. You really want to see it close below that EMA. Technically it closed below it. Technically it closed below it. I gotta thank it for doing that. I gotta thank it very much for doing that. Now we gotta hope for new lows on the 1 minute. Good. good. If we can just power through this area here. Back into the green for a moment there. But I'm not looking for a break-even trade. I'm looking here to run it down in the D80s. We just closed below the EMA now. So the good news is the 5-minute has now cracked. So we got a new 5-minute candle. It's now below there. That's a good sign. I just really need to crack this 19,595 zone. This thing has bounced out of here on us on like 3 different occasions. So hopefully we can just get a nice flush. Just need a high-speed flush. No more bounces out of here. Come on, man. So aggravating. Can we get some kind of...
Order filled.
There we go. There we
Order
go.
filled.
There we go. There we go.
Order filled.
Exactly what we're talking about right there. All right. So went from red to green on the afternoon there. Put a stop loss break even for the last runner. Looking for 19,565 for the remaining. Gonna tighten the stop up a little bit more. Continuing to tighten up the stop loss.
Stop filled.
Alright, stopped up. Okay, so this was the support that we were thinking right here. 19,565. It went down to 60, but I was thinking 65. Well, that was the kind of move there. All right, so I think we'll zoom out and see if we see anything else. Alrighty, well, I think I'm gonna call it here for the afternoon session. Made $75. I'm just gonna call it there, and I'll wait till the morning. I'll see you all at market open. If you are enjoying the stream, please like and subscribe. I'll be here Monday through Friday at market open, live streaming my trades. If you want to support the channel, check out the links in the description. It really helps out a lot. But please like and subscribe. Hope you all have a great